morning guys, my name is Ishan. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be the first ever video on my second channel. So yeah, today I'm gonna be making my breakfast and showing you around my day. So yeah, let's get started. So okay guys, so I'm gonna be making some pasta for myself for today. So I've got this pot here with pre-measured water. So this pot has pre-measured water. So yeah, let me just go and get the the pasta. 1 sec. Okay, so I've sorted out the pasta. Just 1 second. Let me show it on here. So I originally wanted to go for a Maggi pasta, but then I realized I also have this, and this is more in quantity. So I just did first because we have to make it the heaviest. So I'll be having this alone. So yeah, so I'm gonna be making this. So what my mom has told me to do, as I'm not so experienced in cooking, is to open this, grab the masala thing. The first, where is it? I'm trying to find something. At the moment I can't. Here we go. So I'm supposed to cut, give it a good shake so that all the masala gets peaceful here. Hold it like this and forces all the masala to go in this little bowl, so it's free for cutting. Let's cut this part. There you go. You can see it also includes some veggies, I guess. Whatever. Let's drop this entire thing in here. Now, let's also grab a fork, set it aside, and now it's time for the pasta itself. The pasta is already tri-colored. Yeah, drop it in. Now comes the most dangerous part, turning on the gas. Okay, so this is my lighter right here. Let's do this. There we go. That burned down. Now I'm gonna put it to sim mode. Can't see that. Yeah, I'm gonna put it to sim mode, and then I'm gonna put it to here. And then I won't swirl it anymore. I'll just give it a little shaky shake. Try to show that. 1 second. I'm just gonna give it a little shake so that I know all of it is submerged. I can have my peace of mind. Turn this to high. Let's just tap this. Put this over there. Set the tripod back up. Because damn, this thing is heavy. Now I'm gonna shut the screen. I'm gonna turn this to high, and I'm gonna let it boil for a little bit. You can see that this metal is still not hot. I can easily touch it. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So yeah, this is Ishan again. So yeah, I completely forgot to show the pasta thing because the phone was in my hands, and I completely forgot about the pasta which was on the gas stove, and yeah, it almost ended up burning, so I had to take it off and I couldn't record. So yeah, forwarding on to lunch, my mom has made delicious fish curry. Also today is 8th March, I mean yesterday was, so my mom and her friends had gone out to dinners for Women's Day. So yeah. Party, I was here with my dad. So yeah guys, so please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel because these videos take a little bit of effort and time to make. So I'd really appreciate it. It's free and you can totally unsubscribe anytime. I would definitely appreciate it. Thank you for the support for 100 subscribers. I'm trying to reach 150 by the end of this month. Let's see if we can do it. It's a definitely heavy goal, but I hope we can do it. So yeah, this is the subscribe to unsubscribe ratio. Please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.